Loving you makes the stars shine brighter. Yeah. One step closer.